Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting at the exact item page. Don't detour. First, sign in and open My eBay, then go to bid/offers. Once located, confirm time remaining and whether you currently hold the leading bid because that affects options. If you're outbid, there's nothing to cancel. Simply remove from watch list. If you're the high bidder, click the bid amount or the More Actions menu to see cancellation options. This opens the pathway for the next deliberate steps. Now you'll choose Retract, Seller Request, or Resolution. If your error meets eBay rules like wrong bid amount or duplicate, and within allowed time frame, click Retract Bid and follow prompts. Include a short reason. If Retract is disabled, message the seller right away. Explain and ask them to cancel the invoice or relist. Once done, document the conversation. If seller won't cooperate, escalate through the Resolution Center to request cancellation. Track responses and save screenshots for evidence. Finish by verifying the result. Check My eBay and your email for confirmation that the bid was retracted or order canceled, and make sure no payment cleared. If you were charged, immediately open a dispute with eBay or your payment method and provide your documentation. If things go wrong, like seller ignores messages, contact eBay customer service with your screenshots and timestamps. Persist calmly until they process the cancellation, because proof and timely action are what resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.